How to fix you receive iPhone notifications but then you don't see the notifications as the banner style. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will show you how you can fix if you receive iPhone's notification sounds but then when you check your phone you don't see any type of banner or notification, whether it is on control panel or on your home screen. So in order to fix this issue, you want to simply make sure to watch this video till the end. Now keep in mind that you might have just turned off a simple feature on your iPhone. So in order to fix that, we're just going to go ahead and then open up settings, and then you want to go to notifications. Well, of course, the very first thing you want to make sure is that you have enabled notifications at the very top. Then under it you'll find the option called notification style. By default on iPhone, how it works is that most of the notifications on the iPhone are going to be turned off by default, which means that you have to enable it after going it into settings. So let's say that you're not receiving notifications for the Facebook app. I'm just going to tap on Facebook. Now here you have three options to either show in your lock screen, and then you also have the option to show in a notification center, which is of course this center right over here. This is our notification center. And then after that you also have the option to show it on your banners. Now depending upon whatever option is convenient for you. Now personally I only like setting it to notification center and lock screen, because whenever I'm working on something the banner just pops up all of a sudden, which is actually quite disturbing for me. But keep in mind that this is totally up to you. You want to simply change the setting depending upon your own wish. Now other thing why this could also be happening is because you might have likely turned on do not disturb mode. So what you want to do is you just want to come back here, you want to go to the focus settings, you want to make sure that do not disturb mode is actually currently disabled. Now in my case I'm currently recording this video, that is why I'm turning it on, but you want to make sure that your DND mode is disabled. What DND mode does is that it's going to block out all of the notifications, which means you might or might not receive the sound. But if you do receive the sound and you don't see the notification, this could also be the secondary reason. Hopefully one of these solutions may have helped solve your problem, and if it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.